Most drivers think they know their cars inside and out, but the truth is, your vehicle is hiding way more than you realize. In fact, according to a recent survey by AAA Newsroom, nearly 70% of car owners don't even know about all the features their vehicles already have. From secret safety tools to hidden comfort features, there are built-in tricks that only experienced drivers ever discover. And once you know them, you'll drive smarter, safer, and maybe even save some money along the way. In this video, we're counting down 18 car features only experienced drivers know about. Some of these will make your daily commute easier, some could save you in an emergency, and others are just clever hacks that will make you say, "Why didn't anyone tell me this sooner?" Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on future videos packed with hidden car secrets. Now, let's kick things off with a feature that hides in plain sight. Rain sensing wipers. Infrared eyes for rain. Think your wipers just wait for rain? Not quite. Many modern cars actually use invisible infrared beams that bounce off the windshield. When raindrops distort the reflection, the system reacts instantly. It's almost like your car has eyes, detecting rain before you do. But staying safe in bad weather isn't just about wipers. Your car also has a hidden feature that saves you on hills. 117. Parking brake assist. Your invisible co-pilot. Ever stopped on a hill and rolled backward when switching from brake to gas? Parking brake assist has your back. It holds the car steady for a few seconds until you accelerate. It's like an invisible co-pilot making sure you never embarrass yourself on an incline. And speaking of hidden lifesavers, there's a safety trick in your trunk most drivers don't even know exists. 16. Trunk emergency release. The escape hatch. Since 2002, every car trunk has had a glow-in-the-dark handle or cord. It's designed to help trapped people escape, especially children or pets. Think of it as a hidden escape hatch you hope you never use, but knowing it's there could literally save a life. Now, let's move from safety to something that affects your health every single day. The air you breathe inside your car. Cabin air filter. An air mask for your lungs. Most people replace their engine filter, but completely forget the cabin air filter. Hidden behind your glove box, this filter traps dust, pollen, and pollution before it enters your lungs. According to the EPA, the air inside your car can actually be 2 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside, especially if your cabin filter is clogged. Check it regularly. If it looks like a vacuum bag, it's time for a new one. A fresh filter means cleaner air and better AC performance. But sometimes the problem isn't inside the car, it's how well you see the road outside. Struggling to see at night? The problem isn't your bulbs, it's misaligned headlights. Almost every car has tiny adjustment screws behind the headlights. With just a screwdriver you can aim them properly in minutes. And here's the shocking stat. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reports that about 50% of cars on the road have headlights that are misaligned or underperforming. This is the cheapest upgrade that could literally save lives. And while you're looking under the hood, don't forget the secrets your keys are hiding. 13. Hidden spare key access. The locksmith trick. Locked out? Experienced drivers know there's more than one way back in. Many cars hide a keyhole under the passenger side door handle. Some even come with dealer-installed magnetic key boxes tucked under the frame. Adding one yourself costs under $10 and can save you a very expensive locksmith bill. And speaking of heating things up, let's check out a feature that doubles as your car's built-in mini heater. Those thin lines on your rear window? Sure, they clear fog, but here's the pro tip. They also warm up sticky stuff like frozen wipers, tree sap, or bird droppings. Run it for 10 minutes and you'll clean the glass without scratching it. It's basically a mini heater built into your window. And while we're on the subject of hidden safety designs, here's something built right into your seatbelt that almost nobody notices. Chud 11. Seatbelt loops. Built-in shock absorbers. Ever notice the small stitched loop on passenger seatbelts? That's no design mistake. It's part of an energy management system. In a crash, the stitching rips in a controlled way, absorbing impact like a shock absorber for your chest. And according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, advanced seatbelt systems like this can reduce chest and neck injuries by up to 30% in frontal crashes. It reduces injury risk without you even knowing it's there. But safety isn't the only hidden perk. Some features are all about convenience. Chud 10. Hidden power outlets and USB ports. Your car probably has more charging spots than you realize. Many models hide USB ports in the trunk, armrest, or even under panels. Perfect for road trips, camping gear, or powering tools. Experienced drivers never run out of juice. And if you think that's clever, wait until you see how your headlights can actually guide you home. If you've learned even one new feature so far, do me a favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube that drivers like you want to see more of this content, and it helps keep this channel growing. And hey, drop a comment with the coolest feature you've discovered in your own car. I might feature your answer in a future video. 9. Follow me home headlights. Ever lock your car at night and walk into darkness? Some cars let headlights stay on for 30 to 60 seconds after locking, guiding you safely to your door. A small but thoughtful feature that experienced drivers rely on for security. Now from lighting your path, let's move to a safety trick hidden in plain sight, right above your head. 8. Headrest emergency use. That headrest above your seat isn't just for comfort. In emergencies, it can be pulled out and used as a glass-breaking tool. Those metal rods fit perfectly against car windows. It's a survival hack most drivers have never even heard of. And while that's about breaking out, the next feature is all about getting moving when your car won't. Shift lock release slot. Dead battery and stuck in park? That tiny hidden slot near your gear lever, usually labeled shift lock, is the answer. Insert your key, and you can manually move the gear shift. It's a lifesaver that can save you a tow truck call. And when the weather turns bad, this next feature quietly works behind the scenes to give you clear vision. Chart 6. Heated side mirrors and wiper rest zone. Winter drivers know the struggle. Frosty mirrors and frozen wipers. Many cars quietly heat these areas when you hit defrost. It clears visibility faster and saves your wiper blades from ripping. A hidden winter hack built right into your car. But let's move from cold weather comfort to nighttime driving comfort. Chart 5. Auto-dimming rearview mirror. Blinded by headlights at night? If your mirror doesn't have a manual flip tab, chances are it's auto-dimming. A sensor detects bright lights and darkens the mirror automatically. It's like sunglasses for your car. No more squinting at night. And just like your mirror adjusts automatically, your music can too. Chart 4. Speed-sensitive volume control. Ever notice your music volume changes by itself? That's no glitch, it's a feature. At higher speeds, your car automatically boosts volume to fight road noise. Experienced drivers adjust this once and never touch the knob again. But while your car helps your ears, it also hides clever storage for your hands. Chart 3. Sunglass holder and hidden storage compartments. Above your head, under your seat, even in your trunk walls, cars hide clever little storage spots everywhere. Perfect for sunglasses, toll money, or even emergency tools. Experienced drivers know where every hiding place is. But here's something even simpler. A sun visor trick most people never try. Sun blinding you from the side? Many visors actually slide out or extend sideways, but most drivers never try it. A simple move that can save your eyes and make driving way safer. And finally, the most overlooked feature of all, one that stares you in the face every time you drive. Chart 3. Fuel tank arrow on dashboard. And finally, the feature that surprises almost everyone. Look at your fuel gauge. That tiny arrow next to the pump icon, it shows which side of the car your fuel cap is on. Once you know this, you'll never awkwardly pull up to the wrong side at a gas station again. Out-owie 100 words, with optional stat. And there you have it. 18 car features that most drivers overlook, but experienced drivers use every day. Some of these tricks can make your drives more comfortable, others can save you from dangerous situations, and a few might even save you money in the long run. Here's a final thought. According to CarMD, Americans spend an average of $400–600 a year on unexpected car repairs, many of which could be avoided simply by knowing and using the hidden features your car already has. Now it's your turn. Which of these features surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you a new way to look at your car, subscribe now, because we're just getting started. And don't stop here. Click on the next video right on your screen for even more smart car tips.